Hey guys, so today we're gonna unbox the world's smallest phone as said. So without wasting any time, let's start. So as you can see right here, I have the world's smallest phone from company called Chowda as written. So let me quickly read the function of this phone. So it is 0.66 inch in FP&S, I don't know what is that. It supports GSM SIM 900 to 1800. It supports FM, it supports CF card MP3, it has dual card, dual standby, and has a detachable battery. So it comes in these colors, as you can see, all these 5 colors. So the model number is A26, as we can see in the picture. It supports Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, I don't know what is that. Comes with a panic button, and that's it. So let's start and unbox it. This number are given, and is also barcode and things. So let's just open it. So as we open it, we see a instruction manual, how to operate, how to open the SIM cards and things, and we see a warranty card as said. Yep, warranty card, some information. So let's get right into it. So here we have the battery. As you can see, Chowda battery. A so small battery. You can see my fingers, half of my finger fits in this battery. And we get a charging cable as seen. Nice. And then here's the phone. So this is it, Chowda A26 handset. So as you can see, this is even smaller than my finger. This phone is so small, and it also has like a texture behind it that is good. It also has the Chowda name written on it here and here as well. So let's see behind. Open this back, and also the charging port here, the mic, and you can attach a string or some keychain right here. Let's open it. So here it is. So here are the dual SIM card slots, SIM 1, SIM 2, I don't know. That's it guys. So let's just put on the battery. And the battery goes like this, I think. Yep. Battery here. Let's put on the cover. Cover is well fitted. Let's turn it on. Here it is, Chowda logo. Here it is guys. Okay, so the time is 0:12 here, and it is asking to insert the SIM, I think. Yeah, logged. How to open this? This. Okay. So let's open the menu. It has Bluetooth dialer, phone book, call center, messaging, tools, settings, audio player, profiles, recorder, FM radio, file manager. I don't know what is that. Those were the things it has. So let's quickly insert a SIM in this one. Okay, the SIM has been inserted. Let's turn it on again. It's on. There's a really nice texture behind it, as you can see in the video, I think. Okay, it's here. So we can see the Airtel SIM I've put it in, and it's on silent. Let me quickly do it. Okay, it's general mode activated. So let me dial something.
9.
Okay, it says.
Set 1, 2.
Okay.
4, 2. 3.
Okay, it's dialing good. Let me call someone. Okay.
9. 8. Set 7. 6. 3. 8. 8. 4.
Unable to an idea. That was the wrong number, of course. More than 10 digits. So guys, thanks for watching the video, and if you like the video, please press on the like button, and if you're new, please subscribe the channel for seeing more upcoming contents and unboxing like this. And a link for the phone I will give in the description, and you can go and check it out if you want. So guys, see you in the next video.